Gate drops on our 13 boys. Here we go. Wind this one up. Ladies and gentlemen, coming flying out. Joshua Jolly, he's come out in that first spot. Back there in that second spot, we got Tuffin coming through in that third position. We got Julian and flying down that fourth spot to Whitney. Let's look at our front runners again. Josh Jolly's picking up some air. Oh, Tuffin is trying to get nice and tight as he makes his way around. Julian back there for the third. Whitney back there for the fourth spot. But it's all Jolly leads himself through. Down the final straight they go. What has been left in the tank? Flying down, Train Tuffin. Oh, might have snuck through, but Jolly's just got it.